Milwaukee, DeWalt, RIDGID. These are 7 American and international power tool brands whose warranty promises sound amazing on paper, but whose real-world customer service experiences will either save you thousands or cost you your sanity. The power tool industry is worth over $40 billion globally, with American manufacturers like Milwaukee's Brookfield, Wisconsin headquarters, and DeWalt's 7 U.S. manufacturing facilities, competing against international giants like Makita and Bosch. But here's what most contractors and DIY enthusiasts don't realize until it's too late. Those warranty terms printed on the box mean absolutely nothing if the company won't honor them when your tool breaks on a job site. And with lithium-ion battery failures accounting for 67% of warranty claims, understanding these policies becomes critical. I've spent months digging through contractor forums, warranty claims data, and customer service experiences to uncover the truth about who actually stands behind their tools. What I found will completely change how you think about tool warranties. Let's start with the most controversial warranty in the industry, RIDGID's lifetime service agreement. On paper, this sounds incredible. Register your tool within 90 days of purchase from Home Depot, and RIDGID will repair or replace it for free for the rest of your life. Not just the tool, the batteries, chargers, everything. It's the only true lifetime warranty in the power tool industry. But here's where it gets complicated. The LSA only applies to tools purchased from Home Depot, similar to how Lowe's offers extended protection plans for their Cobalt brand. Buy that exact same RIDGID tool on Amazon, and you lose the lifetime warranty. The batteries that come in combo packs qualify for the LSA, but batteries sold separately only get 3 years. If your tool gets replaced under warranty, you have to re-register the new serial number within 90 days, or lose your lifetime coverage. The real controversy comes from actual user experiences. One contractor told me his reciprocating saw's blade retention clip failed on the first use. RIDGID directed him to a repair center an hour and a half away. After multiple trips, they told him the repair part wasn't available, and calls to RIDGID corporate went nowhere. Meanwhile, another user in the same forum said his local Home Depot hands him new tools and batteries whenever something breaks. No questions asked. This illustrates the biggest problem with power tool warranties: inconsistent enforcement. The same company can provide vastly different experiences depending on your location, the specific repair center, or even which customer service representative you talk to. Milwaukee Tool offers what many consider the gold standard for warranty coverage: 5 years on tools, 3 years on batteries, plus lifetime warranties on their hand tools and LED lights. But here's the key difference. Milwaukee actually honors these warranties consistently. Industry data shows that 67% of warranty claims are battery related, not tool failures. And Milwaukee's 3-year battery coverage beats most competitors who only offer 2 years. For comparison, across major brands, Milwaukee offers 3 years on lithium-ion batteries, DeWalt provides 3 years, RIDGID gives 3 years standalone or lifetime in combo packs, and Makita covers 3 years across their 18-volt ecosystem. These battery warranty terms matter more than tool coverage since brushless motor technology has dramatically reduced mechanical failures. DeWalt takes a different approach with their 3-pronged warranty: 3 years limited warranty, 1 year free service, and 90-day money-back guarantee. That middle component is crucial because during the first year, DeWalt will service your tool for free, even if the problem isn't covered under warranty. It's like having extended insurance that covers user error and normal wear. But here's a warning that could save you hundreds. DeWalt explicitly states they won't honor warranties for tools purchased from unauthorized sellers, including many Amazon listings. Stanley Black & Decker, DeWalt's parent company, has been cracking down on this, and contractors are learning the hard way that saving $50 up front can cost them years of warranty coverage. Makita has quietly built a reputation as the most repair-friendly brand in the industry. Their 3-year warranty covers tools, batteries, and chargers consistently across their entire 18-volt ecosystem. More importantly, though, Makita tools are designed to be repaired. Parts are readily available. Repair procedures are straightforward, and their Fast Lane Express service promises 3-day turnaround on select tools. This matters more than you might think. The right to repair movement is gaining momentum across the United States, with specific legislation like California's SB 244 and Colorado's HB 1011 passing comprehensive right to repair laws. 84% of Americans support right to repair laws, but the power tool industry has largely been exempted from these regulations. Makita's approach of making repair information and parts accessible puts them ahead of the curve. At the premium end, Festool offers something called Warranty All-Inclusive that covers not just defects, but normal wear parts like carbon brushes and ball bearings. For the first 3 years, everything is free. They promise 2-day turnaround times and will even replace your tool with a new one if they can't get parts after 10 years. The catch? Festool's customer service has reportedly declined in recent years. Users complain about poor communication, limited service centers, and the hassle of shipping tools back and forth. One contractor noted that while Festool gives 3-year coverage, Milwaukee gives 5. And Milwaukee has never denied his warranty claims, even for water-damaged tools that shouldn't qualify for coverage. Hilti takes yet another approach with their lifetime manufacturer's warranty, but adds a unique twist. After the first 2 years of no-cost coverage, you pay a maximum of 30% of the tool's list price for any repair. It's essentially insurance that caps your repair costs forever. They also guarantee 1-day turnaround at their repair centers, which is crucial for professionals who can't afford downtime. For the ultimate professional benchmark, Snap-on Tools sets the gold standard with their lifetime warranty on hand tools and comprehensive coverage on power equipment, though their premium pricing reflects this service level. Most contractors consider Snap-on's warranty approach the industry benchmark for what premium service should look like. The budget end tells a different story entirely. Harbor Freight's Hercules brand offers 5-year warranties that sound impressive until you try to use them. Craftsman, once legendary for quality, has become a cautionary tale since Stanley Black & Decker acquired the brand from Sears in 2017. Longtime users report that modern Craftsman tools are a shell of their previous selves, with inconsistent quality and poor warranty support. Here's what the warranty charts don't tell you. Registration deadlines can make or break your coverage. RIDGID gives you 90 days to register for the LSA, and if you miss that window, your lifetime warranty becomes a standard 3-year limited warranty. Festool requires registration within 30 days for their all-inclusive coverage. Ego extends their battery warranty from 3 to 5 years, but only if you register within 90 days. The Federal Trade Commission has started cracking down on warranty violations, sending warning letters to companies that void warranties for using third-party parts or independent repair shops. But enforcement is inconsistent, and many manufacturers still include illegal warranty terms in their policies. Real-world warranty experiences often come down to 3 factors: the specific tool that failed, your location relative to authorized service centers, and frankly, luck of the draw with customer service representatives. Milwaukee and RIDGID users report the most positive experiences when warranties are actually processed correctly. Festool users appreciate the comprehensive coverage but complain about logistics, while DeWalt sits in the middle with solid coverage but strict purchasing requirements. For contractors and serious DIY users, warranty considerations should factor heavily into tool purchasing decisions. But here's the professional reality. Many contractors don't bother with warranties on tools under $150. As one forum user put it, by the time I spend time figuring out how to get it warrantied and send it off and go without it, I can just continue working and making money. The power tool warranty landscape is evolving rapidly. IoT integration is enabling predictive maintenance and automatic warranty claims. Right to repair legislation is forcing manufacturers to reconsider their service models, and consumer awareness is pushing brands toward more transparent, customer-friendly policies. Your warranty choice ultimately depends on your priorities. If you want true lifetime coverage and shop at Home Depot, RIDGID's LSA is unmatched when it works. If you prioritize consistent service and repairability, Milwaukee and Makita lead the pack. For premium tools with comprehensive coverage, Festool remains competitive despite service challenges. But remember this, the best warranty is the one you never have to use. Focus first on buying quality tools from reputable brands. Then let warranty coverage be the tiebreaker between similar options. Because in the end, a tool that doesn't break is worth more than the best warranty policy ever written.